stairs. Hey, this is not the right way. This is the end of the line. Good old MR-73s. I'm sorry, the Azures will never compare with the old trains. Never. These are the best of the best. And also, this train represents the best years of Bombardier. You know, before this, they were just making fucking Skidoos and all-terrain vehicles, you know, off-road vehicles. They weren't making trains. You know, I said it before, I like the Azures. I don't love them, and I'll tell you why I don't love them. You see, it's all the little things that are annoying about those trains. I'll give you an example, like one of you guys mentioned in my comments recently. You see, the Azure, like, they always seem cramped when you're sitting down in the thing. It always seems cramped. If you're not cramped up next to somebody or somebody's, you're cramped up next to the fucking wall in a single seat. It's all the little things, you know, like how I was taking one earlier and it reminded me of, like, it's like being in a casino or something. It's all these bright lights and colors. It's not really relaxing. You know what I mean? Like, it's a smooth ride, but it's not relaxing. You know, all these different colors, the bright lights, and also I don't like how the fucking interior, frankly, I'll be honest with you guys, it looks silly. You know, all those bright colors, the light blues and two tones and yellow and the bright light. It looks silly, honestly. It looks like a fucking toy. Like so many vehicles today, it's just irritating. You know? I don't even know which way I'm going, frankly. I'm just keeping it rolling. Keeping it rolling. Let's go see what's going on here. Direction Côte-Vertu, là. Next train is in 5 minutes. I'm not rolling this for 5 minutes, man, you know? I only got 2 batteries. Look how beautiful this station is. One of my favorite stations. Got your, the only station like this that has lamps like that looks like you're, got that outside look, you know, with the lampposts. Yeah. Anyway, I guess I'll stop here for now. The elevators in this station, like most stations, are recent, I should say. What's that noise? Oh, my back. And those of you who are not familiar with my channel, I love transportation in all its facets, including elevators.
Niveau M3, quai en direction Montreal.
Elevator is as smooth as the Azure itself, or Azures, whatever you want to call it. You have to be a nerd to film transportation. You have to really be a nerd to film elevators. Oh, look at this. The fucking thing's being defective. Look at that. Here comes the train I just got off of. You saw the ride there. Oh yeah, this thing is fucked. Not normal.